How to lose weight with the Elemental Diet Plan. Losing weight is a common goal for many individuals, and various dietary approaches promise to help achieve it. One such approach is the Elemental Diet Plan. This unique diet is mainly designed to simplify digestion and provide complete nutrition in an easily absorbable form. While it is often used for medical purposes, it has also gained popularity for weight loss. But how can you effectively use the Elemental Diet Plan to shed those extra pounds? Let's explore the essentials. What is the Elemental Diet Plan? The Elemental Diet consists of formulas made up of pre-digested nutrients. These formulas include proteins in the form of amino acids, carbohydrates as simple sugars, and fats as easily absorbable medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Vitamins and minerals are also added to ensure complete nutrition. Since the nutrients are already broken down, the digestive system absorbs them directly without requiring significant effort from the body. The elemental diet is typically used to manage specific health conditions such as Crohn's disease, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, and other gastrointestinal disorders. However, its controlled calorie content and nutrient-dense formulation make it appealing for weight loss when used under appropriate guidance. Benefits of the elemental diet for weight loss. 1. Controlled calorie intake. The elemental diet involves pre-measured formulas, allowing you to manage your calorie consumption precisely. This makes it easier to create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. 2. Reduced inflammation. By eliminating common allergens and irritants found in traditional diets, the elemental diet can help reduce inflammation. Lower inflammation levels can improve metabolism and overall health. 3. Improved digestive rest. The pre-digested nature of the formulas gives the digestive system a break. This can help reduce bloating and enhance nutrient absorption, making your weight loss journey more efficient. 4. Convenience. With pre-prepared formulas, there is no need for meal planning or cooking. This can save time and effort, making sticking to the diet plan easier. 5. Enhanced nutrient delivery. The elemental diet ensures that your body receives all essential nutrients, even with a reduced calorie intake. This helps prevent nutritional deficiencies that can occur with other restrictive diets. How to use the elemental diet plan for weight loss. 1. Consult a healthcare professional before starting the elemental diet. It is crucial to consult a healthcare provider or dietitian. They can determine if the diet suits you and guide caloric requirements and duration. 2. Choose the right formula. Elemental diet formulas are available in various forms, including powders and ready-to-drink liquids. Select a product that meets your nutritional needs and is free from any allergens or ingredients you wish to avoid. 3. Calculate your calorie needs. Determine the calories you need to consume daily to achieve a calorie deficit. This involves calculating your basal metabolic rate, BMR, and adjusting for activity levels. Your healthcare provider can assist in this process. 4. Replace meals with elemental formulas. You can replace one or more meals with elemental diet formulas. For instance, start by replacing breakfast and lunch with a light, balanced dinner. Gradually increasing the number of formula-based meals can help your body adapt to the diet. 5. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential when following the elemental diet. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports digestion, improves metabolism, and helps flush out toxins. 6. Monitor your progress. Track your weight loss and overall health throughout the diet. Regular monitoring allows you to adjust your calorie intake or the number of formula-based meals as needed. Sample day on the elemental diet. Morning. 1. Meal replacement. 1 serving of elemental formula mixed with water. 2. Optional. Herbal tea or black coffee. Mid-morning snack. 1. Meal replacement. 1/2 serving of elemental formula. Lunch. 1. Meal replacement. 1 serving of elemental formula. Afternoon snack. 1. Meal replacement. 1/2 serving of elemental formula. Dinner. 1. Light meal. Grilled chicken breast, steamed vegetables, and a small serving of quinoa or brown rice. Evening. 1. Optional snack. 1/2 serving of elemental formula or a cup of herbal tea. Potential challenges and how to overcome them. 1. Taste fatigue. Consuming the same formula repeatedly can lead to taste fatigue. To address this, you can add flavor drops or spices approved by your healthcare provider. 2. Initial adjustment period. Transitioning to the elemental diet may cause mild digestive discomfort initially. Gradually introducing the formulas and ensuring proper hydration can help ease this. 3. Social limitations. Attending social events or dining out may be challenging on the elemental diet. Planning and focusing on your goals can help you navigate these situations. Is the elemental diet suitable for everyone? The elemental diet is a specialized plan that may not suit everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and those with severe calorie restrictions should avoid the diet unless recommended by a healthcare professional. Additionally, the diet is not intended for long-term use and should be transitioned to a balanced diet after achieving your goals. Conclusion: the elemental diet plan can be an effective weight loss tool for those seeking a structured and nutrient-dense approach. By following the steps outlined above and working closely with a healthcare professional, you can use the elemental diet to achieve your weight loss goals safely and efficiently. Remember, long-term success comes from adopting sustainable eating habits and a healthy lifestyle. Loudspeaker, let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with someone looking to like it.